Happy morning, children. Today we will solve practice set 7.5 question number 5. Here in a basket there are 10 tomatoes and the weight of each tomatoes is given to you. We have to find the median of the weights of the tomatoes. So the first step will be write the given data in ascending order. And for median you should know the number of scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means the number of scores 10. So you will not get exact score in the middle position. It will be the average of the two middle numbers. So what did we study about median? The scores should be arranged in ascending or descending order. Then the number appearing exactly at the middle position in this order is known as median. And if the number of observation is even, then the median is the average of the middle two numbers. So now here you see in ascending order we will write. So the smallest score if you see is 50. So we will solve now. So here I have already written ascending order of the data. Smallest score is 50 followed by 60, 65, 70, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 95. Now here n, that is number of observation, is 10, which we have already counted. Now 10 is an even number. Right? So we will not have exact median for the given score, but we will have average of the two middle numbers. So we will write there n is equal to 10 is even number. Therefore, median is the average of two middle numbers. Now, which are those two middle numbers? You can see and tell me. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here if you see 5 here and 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the middle position score? That will be 70. Okay, here 5 and here 4. Exact we will not get. So 70 will be the middle one of the score in the middle position. And which will be the another one here? See, if I take 80 here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 scores will form one group to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scores will form group to the right of 80. So 80 and 70. These scores are in the middle position. Therefore, we will write, therefore, median is the average of 70 and 80. Therefore, median is equal to 70 plus 80 upon 2, which is equal to 150 upon 2, which is equal to 75. Therefore, median weight of tomatoes is 75 gram. Therefore, the median weight of tomatoes is 75 gram. This way you have to complete.